Hello everyone, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today we're going to make some chicken taquitos in the air fryer. And this is a recipe you're not going to want to miss. They're delicious. Let's get started. So to make these, all you need is some corn tortillas, some salsa, and some chipotle peppers, and some shredded chicken. And of course you're going to want to use all of your garnishments that you choose. Okay, so let's get started. We're just going to go ahead and take one of our chipotle peppers, and then we're just going to go ahead and chop it up. The chipotle pepper that I use is an adobe sauce, and absolutely delicious in all of your Mexican meals because it gives it a nice little smoky flavor to it, and it is really, like, you can really taste the flavors when it all comes together. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of salsa, and go ahead and give that a nice big stir. Now I don't want it to be too dry, but I don't want it to be super moist either, so I'm just going to kind of eyeball everything right now. And I noticed that it does need a little bit more salsa, so probably about 3 tablespoons for the amount of chicken that I have, which is probably about a cup and a half. So I took 5 of my tortillas and I put them in the microwave for about 45 seconds, which is probably a mistake because it seems like, well, you'll see in just a moment, they kind of break. But anyway, probably would have been better to do just one at a time. So I'm just going to put like a couple little heaping tablespoons of chicken in there. I'm going to use some Mexicali cheese and just kind of roll those up, and that is it. Seam side down, just go ahead and put that off to the side and continue rolling. Okay, so now that we have all 5 of them done, we're just going to go ahead and spritz those down with some oil, and we're going to go ahead and transfer those over to our baking sheet, and try to anyway without them falling apart. So we're going to go put those into the air fryer oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Voila, it is done. Now mine did take 12 minutes. I know I put 10 on the machine, but it did take 12. And all I did was top mine with my favorite things, which is salsa, sour cream, guacamole, and I like some little, I like iceberg lettuce and some tomato on the side because I like to dip it into the lettuce and the tomato. Something about having like a little bit of freshness to it just tastes so much better to me. So alrighty, you guys, at this point, if you don't want to listen to the taste test, I totally understand. I know it's offensive to some people, and I certainly don't want to do that. So, but you're just going to have to trust me then, because this is absolutely delicious, and it's a must-try recipe. Otherwise, stay tuned. Alrighty. Let's see, which one do I want? Let's try this one over here. Look at there. See the chicken. It's all nice and cooked. So super crunchy. Oh, I'm like, what is that? That's lettuce. I'm gonna take a bite. I have to get another little scoop here. So the same with some lettuce in there. Take a bite. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. Like, the chicken is flavored so super well. All the stuff on top of it. And I love the lettuce and the tomatoes, like, stacked inside of there. But look at that chicken. It turned out so good. And it was, like, just the perfect amount of cheese. So, I'm going to continue on. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys give these a try. They are good. They're really good. They're super easy. So make room for error because I totally messed one up, but that's all right. Still tastes good. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I think in the next one we're going to be making some chicken enchiladas. So stay tuned for that one. Bye-bye now.